Agile began in software, but its core idea is universal. Agile values outcomes over outputs, collaboration over handoffs, and learning over guessing. It thrives where change is constant and plans age fast. Any team facing uncertainty can benefit. Marketing, human resources, HR, education, and product design apply it daily. Agile is a mindset, not a tool. It helps people work in small steps, share progress often, and adapt quickly. That makes it powerful beyond information technology, IT. Many teams do knowledge work, not repetitive tasks. The work is complex and outcomes are uncertain. Big upfront plans often fail in such spaces. Agile reduces risk through short cycles and frequent feedback. Teams limit work in progress to improve flow. They test ideas cheaply before scaling. They align with customers, internal or external. They make progress visible and cut hidden cues. This approach suits campaigns, hiring, teaching, and design. Non-software teams can adopt simple agile practices without heavy jargon. Sprints, time-box cycles, usually 1 to 4 weeks to focus and deliver. Daily stand-ups, short team check-ins, 15 minutes to coordinate and remove blockers. Visual boards, columns like to do, doing and done to show flow. Backlogs, ordered lists of work items, size for one sprint. Reviews and demos, share results with stakeholders and gather feedback. Retrospectives, reflect on process and agree on one improvement. Marketing faces shifting channels and changing customer tastes. Teams run 2-week sprints to plan content and campaigns. The backlog holds items like write a landing page or design a video script. Daily stand-ups sync designers, writers, and analysts. Each sprint ends with a demo of draft assets. Teams use split testing to learn quickly. Metrics guide priorities, such as conversion, reach, and cost per lead. Retrospectives improve collaboration, handoffs, and creative quality. Human resources, HR, manages hiring, onboarding, and culture projects. Work often spans many stakeholders and policies. HR teams run monthly sprints to deliver clear outcomes. Examples include shorten time to hire or update onboarding content. Stand-ups expose blockers, like late approvals or unclear job descriptions. Reviews show completed materials and gather feedback from managers. Retrospectives reveal process issues and fix them. Visual boards track candidates, offers, and training tasks. Progress becomes transparent. Schools and universities juggle curriculum, projects, and student needs. Teachers plan a unit as a sprint with weekly milestones. A daily stand-up becomes a 5-minute class check-in. Students share goals, blockers, and wins. A classroom board shows assignments in to do, doing, and done. Reviews showcase drafts, experiments, or presentations. Retrospectives invite students to suggest one process improvement. This builds ownership, reduces last-minute rushes, and improves learning outcomes. Physical products and services benefit from iterative discovery. Design teams run sprints to prototype and test ideas. They define a clear sprint goal, such as validate a handle shape. Daily stand-ups coordinate engineers, designers, and suppliers. Visual boards track parts, prototypes, and tests. Reviews share models, photos, and user feedback. Retrospectives tune collaboration with manufacturing partners. This approach reduces rework and speeds time to market. Quality improves through frequent real-world feedback. Here are quick snapshots of sprints and stand-ups beyond software. A marketing team runs a 2-week sprint to launch 3 posts and a webinar. An HR team holds a daily stand-up to unblock background checks and schedule interviews. A school science class runs a 1-week sprint to test hypotheses and present findings. A design studio sets a sprint goal to validate packaging with 10 interviews. An operations team holds stand-ups to reduce downtime and track maintenance tasks daily. Start small and adapt language to fit your context. Choose a sprint length that matches your workflow. Define what done means for each work type. Keep meetings short and purposeful. Measure outcomes, not activity. Examples include time to hire, lead quality, student mastery, and defect rates. hold regular retrospectives, and implement one improvement each sprint. Agile works when people own the process. It is a universal mindset, not a software recipe.